There's some things in this project I don't like. Like I told you guys before, if you download someone else's project, try to swap out all the skin meshes and stuff to your own vehicles and cameras and stuff, to your own thing. And also the scripting, go through the scripting. No use downloading someone else's project. You see this, it's a effect. It's when the buggy starts up, it vibrates. The creator of this project, what he did is he took the camera, he created the empty, threw the camera in the empty, and so he added the hinge. You guys know what the hinge is? It's something you connect to a door so that it can open and close. Okay, so he was very clever, innovative, but I mean only if you drive from A to B, it's fine. But if you have to like do a whole level with driving around, up and down, it's giving me a headache. I already have a headache, you know. I appreciate his hard work and his innovations and all of that. But sometimes you need to remove some things from a scene or do some changes to a script so that it can fit your game. Okay. So I'm gonna use Vehicle Physics Pro. You need Vehicle Physics Pro for this. You must download it from the asset store. Okay, if you don't have that package, go ahead, download it and come back and follow up on what I'm doing. Like I said, this is not a tutorial. I'm sharing my screen with you guys and also showing you how you can add this. Counts for any type of vehicle, whether it's a plane, train, bus or ship. Okay, just follow these steps. So I'm gonna go to Vehicle Physics Pro, gonna open the folder, and I'm gonna look for the prefab, camera controller prefab. Okay, there's the vehicles. I'm not gonna put in a vehicle this time. There's a bunch of tutorials on how to add vehicles to your scene, especially Vehicle Physics Pros. It is Vehicle Physics Pro vehicle system. Who wants to start from scratch building a vehicle? I've tried that and it didn't work for me. Okay, so let me search that prefab quickly. I think it should pop up now. There's also a script if you want. If you guys are more advanced in creating your own camera physics, there's a script, a single script that you can also use. It's there in the corner, right hand corner at the bottom, as you can see. So yeah, this is the prefab, as you can see. I'm gonna unpack it, and now all you need to do is go to the inspector. You'll see there's an empty space that you need to put in a transform. Okay, so I'm gonna choose the buggy and work from there. I'm not saying it's gonna work, guys. I don't know what this guy did to this buggy. I'm still investigating and studying his type of behaviors and actions. Okay, so let's have a look if it works. Okay, gonna walk up to the buggy, press E to enter. Oh, it didn't work, guys, as you can see. So there's some things we need to tweak. Okay, but it's no biggie. I will solve this issue. Don't worry. Just stick with this video. Okay, my name is 3D Mesh Tutorials. I like to create games and stuff, and I'm showing you how I build my games, not from scratch up, but by using prefabs, free prefabs, and changing out that prefabs until you don't recognize it anymore. Okay, you will have to go to the first video to see how this prefab looked before the original prefab. Anyway, let's go and have a look. It's supposed to work now. There you go. So I have to turn off the buggy's existing camera. Of course, we are no longer using that camera. We are using Vehicle Physics Pro's camera, and that is what I wanted, guys. There's no hopping around and stuff. Okay, But there's still some views we need to check out. There's the second view orbiting around the vehicle. Ooh, that is nice, smooth. Yeah, I like this. Wait guys, just a minute man. This pillar is standing here and I don't use it in my scene, so I'm just going to confiscate it, please. Just give me a minute. I'm gonna use C4. Let me just handle this issue. It's standing here doing nothing. Okay. Just gonna drop a couple of C4s on it. See if we can explode this thing into pieces. There you go. That's much better. Okay. Thank you for waiting guys. So I'm showing you how to add some awesome camera control physics to your camera in your scene, so you don't have to be stuck with that sticky camera. Okay. And now I also have a nice smooth camera effect on my vehicle. As you can see, I'm going to rearrange all. This is the driver. Okay, that's the driver view and it's not right. So I need to find a different empty. It was the vehicle's empty. I need to find a different empty. I wonder if I can't use the center of mesh. Normally the center of mesh is also an empty, and then I can work from there. But for now I'm happy. Okay, so I'm gonna head over to the hierarchy buggy prefab. Camera. Okay, there we have a empty. Let's lift up this empty and have a look. I want to see where's the location of this empty now. Okay, let's press C. Driver view. Okay, so there's some difference. Okay, that is nice. There's no hopping around and shaking. It's only a spring effect guys. If you download the project, you can go into the buggy, to the camera empty object, and you will see there's a hinge and there's a spring attached to the hinge. It's actually within the function. It's just switched on. Okay, let's have a look. That's a different video. In this video I'm adding my Vehicle Physics Pro camera controller. As you can see, I'm doing nothing else guys, so you can stick to this video at the end and you'll see. There you go. Just a few more tweaking and then we are good to go guys. But so far it's done. I just have to move this empty around. Okay, position it on a nice position where the character's head can stick out. Okay, I need to drive off and just switch here. If you guys don't know how to get this project, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can head over to this guy's channel and you can download this project absolutely free. Okay, I'm not gonna give a link to the project because this is his hard work. If I should tweak this and change it more and give it more life, add more items and stuff, yeah, but at this moment it's still his project. As you can see, I'm just tweaking the camera, putting in a camera, nothing else. This is not my models and stuff. Okay. So we need to respect other people's work and do not upload it as is. If you do upload it, make sure it's a video where you show others how to change out the stuff and, you know, swap out the stuff and everything. But don't download the project, play it and make videos and take credit for that. I will never take credit for other people's hard work, only when I've improvised, added or so. Okay, and I will point out which 3D models belongs to me and where I worked and all of that. But I give props to the creator of this project, really, and also sharing this project to the community with the community. It's really it's awesome, you know. It takes a big chunk of my time creating a game, helping me to give a big leap. Okay, this is a very huge leap, guys, especially in a 3D game. Having this template. There you go. You can also look around now. There's still some tweaking I need to do on the camera. You can see here, you can see that the arm is clipping through the camera. I need to move the camera to the front, more to the front. But yes, this is it, guys. This is it, savage. We are done playing around now with the empty, and thank you for, if you're still watching, I say thank you, and believe me, this video is educational. I've watched a bunch of videos. I'm also on the same level you are, searching for tutorials on how to create your game, or a game if you want to start out creating a game. And the tutorials didn't help me, guys. It's not helping at all. There's sometimes when I'm in a pickle, I still run for tutorials, but then I realize it's not helping. I'm actually wasting my time. So my advice to you guys is, if you have a project like this, study it. Don't just go and put in a score and some UI and then you put it on itch.io claiming it's a game. It's not. I think you should spend some time, say a month or so, opening that project, make a copy of it, and then you strip that project, change the scripting, do videos about it, because that videos can show others how to do it also, because it's gonna work at the end of the day. You don't need to cut out all your faults, your failures, because that is the part where we need to watch. We need to watch that. That is the failures that we are going through, and you are now fixing it. Okay, that is what I'm doing now for you guys. I'm leaving all my failures so that you can see where I got right and where I got wrong. There you have your buggy in your scene, your vehicle with a nice camera. Don't put it to a bus, anything. Don't need to be a buggy with a specific vehicle. And I've shown you now that Vehicle Physics Pro is already packed with prefabs. It's not a headache. You just drag and drop that prefab into your scene, add it to your vehicle, to your character, to your object, and it will have the same functionalities it had in Vehicle Physics Pro. Okay, guys, I'm really in love with this template, because you know I'm a visionary. I see things as I drive around, as I work in a level. I see things I can add, and it's making me feel much better knowing that it looks empty, but through my eyes it's already finished. You know, the power poles and all of that. Some windy houses standing around I can loot from. You find some zombies in there, you know. This is a nice template, very nice. 10 out of 10 for this creator. Okay, he's got a bunch of prefabs, guys, but I love this one the most. There's a Vietnam army type of soldier template with also characters in enemy characters that suits full body characters. It's a 3D modeling experience. Yo, I'm telling you guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna make more of these. Okay, these okay, these okay, these okay, these okay, these okay.